2025 is drawing to a close, and a curious phenomenon is unfolding globally. Nations are accumulating gold at an unprecedented pace. In 2024 alone, Poland acquired 90 tons, while China has been steadily expanding its reserves for months. Most notably, the price of gold climbed to nearly $4,000 per ounce in October 2025. This raises a fundamental question. We moved away from the gold standard over half a century ago, so why are governments hoarding this precious metal again? Why is there a renewed obsession with it, and what does this shift reveal about the future of money? Our journey begins with the origin of gold, a substance that arrived on Earth from the stars. Gold did not originate on our planet. It was forged in the hearts of supernovas. When these massive stars exploded, they scattered heavy metals across the cosmos, some of which hitchhiked on asteroids that collided with Earth billions of years ago. If you wear a gold ring, you are literally carrying stardust. What makes gold so uniquely captivating? Its physical properties are extraordinary. It reflects yellow light due to the way its electrons behave at near light speeds, and unlike other metals, it neither rusts nor tarnishes. You could bury it for a millennium and it would remain unchanged. It is malleable enough to shape, yet dense enough to feel substantial. 6,000 years ago, humans discovered this shiny, heavy rock. It wasn't food, and it wasn't a tool, but its beauty and rarity made it inherently valuable to early tribes. Across independent civilizations, from the Incas to the Chinese dynasties and the Egyptians, gold became a symbol of status and divine power. As trade evolved, societies moved from direct barter to using items like cattle. While cows were useful, they were difficult to transport, impossible to divide, and prone to illness. Gold solved these logistical challenges. It was divisible, portable, durable, and universally desired. Crucially, gold became money because of a collective psychological agreement. It possesses value because we choose to believe it does. This reliance on shared belief transformed human commerce. However, the history of gold is also a story of human ambition and greed. During the 19th century gold rushes, the promise of wealth drew thousands to the frozen Yukon, the Australian outback, and the mines of South Africa. Gold moved markets and civilizations alike, often leaving chaos in its wake. By the 20th century, the system shifted toward paper currency backed by gold reserves. But as trust in banks wavered, the fragility of this model became apparent. Following the economic instability of the 1930s, the U.S. moved away from the gold standard, transitioning to a system based on government credit, fiat currency. Today, we see gold returning to the forefront because that same trust is being tested again. When geopolitical risks rise and faith in national currencies falters, central banks turn to gold as an insurance policy. It remains the ultimate store of value, a 6,000-year-old anchor in an uncertain world. Ultimately, whether we use gold, paper, or digital numbers, money has always been built on trust. When that trust fades, humanity inevitably returns to the one asset that has survived every empire and every crisis: gold. It is not just a metal, it is the oldest form of human reliability. If this exploration has changed how you view the nature of wealth, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into the forces shaping our world. For those interested in why gold is skyrocketing right now, check out my dedicated breakdown linked on the screen. Thanks for watching.